Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials for you each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. I try to solve the problems that you face with on digital world. So if you have any problems or questions, just write these problems and questions in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problems. My channel is thriving now with your support and I really appreciate it. Thanks for that. And if you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. And when it comes to sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now we can just start it. And what I'm trying to do with this video is to tell you a bit about how to just change notification sounds for the built-in apps on your iPhone or enable notification sounds for third-party apps. So, if you've ever been in a public place and heard a distinctive trill of an iPhone ringtone, looked down at your phone and realized the call wasn't for you, you're not alone. Actually, it happens to me all the time. So many friends that I have, they just use iPhone and everyone just use the same, like the ringtones, and when just a phone just rings and then we just look down at our phones, and generally it's from another table sometimes, and we're kind of like it's a weird feeling, everyone just lose their concentration on the conversation, and just it's weird. You know what I mean. And actually, it's doesn't have to be that way, and Apple allows its iPhone users to customize notification sounds from phone calls, text messages, and even calendar reminders, so next time you'll know when to pick up your phone. Default notification sounds for Apple's built-in iOS apps can be changed regardless of what iOS version you have, and can be done in a few easy steps. So let's see how can we do it. At first, how can we change notification sounds on an iPhone? Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down the Settings menu to find Sounds and Haptics. You can just see that on the picture here. There are different options there, and from there you need to choose Sounds and Haptics and select that. And under the submenu Sounds and Vibration Patterns, select the type of notification you want to change the sound for. From here, let's use text tone as an example. And then you can select from dozens of different sounds. You can just see them from here, and you have so many options there. Actually, so many different sounds there. To hear the sound, tap on it and just decide that which one is the best for you, which one is suitable for your mood, and yeah, you need to choose that. Once you've tapped on a sound, a blue check mark will appear on the left designating your selection, and you can just see this blue check mark just on the top of the screen, and you can change it to other sounds. And then make sure you selected the sound you want before tapping back. So just make sure that you just chose the right one, the suitable one for yourself. And to change the notification for ringtone, voicemail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, and AirDrop, repeat these same steps. You're just gonna do the same thing for each of these things. For the ringtone, the voicemail, calendar alerts, just repeat the steps for them. And how can we enable notification sounds for other apps on an iPhone? For this one again, open Settings and scroll to find Notifications, select it, and under the submenu Notification Style, select the app you wish to enable notifications for. And there are so many different apps there, and you can just check them which one you'd like to change the notification. And from there, we'll use Find Friends as an example. And to allow notifications, tap the button from there. Tap the button to turn it green. You're just gonna tap that, and then you're just gonna turn it green. That's it. And then a list will appear and notification sounds will be turned on by default. But you won't be able to change the notification sound for third-party apps. You'll just hear the default iPhone notification sound, so be careful. And from there, you can just choose which ones, which notifications you want to allow from that. For example, lock screen, notification centers, banners, and also from there sounds. And open Settings for, if you want to disable notification sounds for other apps, open Settings and click on the notifications again. Under the submenu Notification Style, select the app you wish to disable notification sounds for. To turn off notification sounds, tap the green icon until it turns white. You'll still receive notifications from this app, but will no longer hear the notification sound. Yeah, just like that. I think it's very, very easy. When you just check that, and if you watch this video, you're just gonna solve the problem in a few minutes, and then you don't need to. You're just gonna understand that when is the right time to pick up your phone, and that's really easy. And before ending the video, while just making this video, I was just thinking about it, and I realized that I was just curious about people are just people who use iPhone have just the same ringtone, and they just choose the same ringtone over and over again, and maybe they don't change it at all. I couldn't understand why. There are so many options to choose from, but everyone have the same ringtone, just 4 or 5 ringtones all the time. They just choose these ones, including me. And we don't change it. I was kind of just curious, what's the reason for that? And if you have any idea about that, if you just know the reason, you don't want to change anything, this is the reason, or something else. If you have any ideas, just write it down on the comments, and I'll just see your ideas about it. Yeah, I was just curious about it. I think that's it for now, and yeah, thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think you would enjoy this content, and we'll be a bigger community together. I'll talk to you all in another video very soon. Bye.